So what we're going to talk about today is Mumbaikar Nikhil talks about verified Instagrams, Scout versus Mortal, Slaypoint and Eshraj Mukhate in a Indian national news channel. Ria apologized about that incident to her YouTube family. Then Total Gaming. Then Tominit got best Christmas gift ever. Tinamong and SS Sniper Wolf are chilling on Christmas. Finally, A-Rai completed 1 million subs and said I will never go to that island again. Jake Paul got a challenge from Ben Askren, so when do they gonna fight? Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. And those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel and watch the full video. Like the video, hit the bell icon and press all for the notifications on. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about Mumbaikar Nikhil. Mumbaikar Nikhil is talking about the fraud verified Instagram messages that many people are getting fake messages, including him. As he said, you will get a copyright claim and showing a link. If you press your link, then your account gets hacked. And he wondered how these fake guys having those accounts getting verified and said action.
तो काफी टाइम से इंस्टाग्राम पे एक अलग तरीके का स्कैम चल रहा है. कोई तो वेरीफाइड अकाउंट से या फिर इंस्टाग्राम के कोई तो वेरीफाइड अकाउंट से आपको मैसेज आएगा कि आपने कोई कॉपीराइट वायोलेशन किया, क्लिक हियर, क्लिक दैट, ये करो वो करो. बिल्कुल मत करना. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीनशॉट, ऐसा मैसेजेस मुझे बहुत आते हैं वेरीफाइड अकाउंट से. और इसका ये जो अकाउंट है, इसका नाम तीसरी बार चेंज हुआ है. पता नहीं लोगों को वेरिफिकेशन कहाँ से मिल जाती है. तो डरना वरना नहीं बिल्कुल भी. इसके अलावा क्या होता है कि इंस्टाग्राम के वेरीफाइड अकाउंट हैक हो जाते हैं. मान लो कि मेरा अकाउंट हैक हो जाएगा और बाद में मेरे अकाउंट से आप लोग में से किसी वेरीफाइड अकाउंट को मैसेज जाएगा. ऐसा मुझे भी हुआ है, तो बिल्कुल रिस्पॉन्ड मत करना. ऐसा बहुत बड़ा चीज है.
So be safe, don't press on any links without checking. So the next update is about Scout and Mortal. Few days ago, Scout posted in his Instagram stories that he and Mortal gonna play 2020's Last Showdown. Then these two Indian YouTube gamers played a game on 28 December 2020 and finally Mortal won the game and he posted those pics in his Instagram stories about his YouTube family appreciated him a lot for giving them a victory. And they also appreciated Scout for well playing and Scout took it as a friendly way because game is a game. And the next update is about Slaypoint. Slaypoint was mentioned in the India Today news channel for being viral self of the year 2020, which was posted in Slaypoint's Instagram stories. It got viral because of Binod. Yeah, many people know about the relation of Binod character and Slaypoint. So warm congrats to Slaypoint. When we talk about viral selves of the year 2020, the next update is about Eshraj Mukhate. He got first place in viral selves of the year 2020 by India Today news channel and he posted a pic in his Instagram stories thanking India Today. So a warm congrats to Eshraj Mukhate. The next update is about Ria. Ria published a video on Christmas named the title as Finding a Boyfriend for Christmas. So in that video she got inspired from a TV show where a girl finds a boy through the treasure hunt. In the same way she tried and finally finds the boy and have a date on Christmas. Then after that video published, many of her YouTube family messaged and commented her that it's not genuine and it's scripted. Then she reacted in her Instagram stories saying action.
Some of y'all really got upset when you got to know that the Christmas finding a boyfriend for Christmas video, everything that I did in that video was fake, which I understand. Not a lot of people got upset, just a few bunch, and I kind of appreciate that because it kind of shows that you want to see things on my channel that are real and not scripted. So yeah, happy to know that. Won't do it again.
It's a good sign. She is giving importance to her YouTube family and saying she will never do it again. The next update is about Total Gaming. So Total Gaming completed 18 million subscribers. A warm congrats for completing 18 million subscribers. So let's talk about some international updates. The first update is about Tominit. Tominit is a United Kingdom based gaming YouTube channel, mostly plays Minecraft and Among Us games in YouTube. Has completed 4 million subscribers and tweeted in Twitter saying best Christmas present ever. Seriously, thanking you all so much. So warm congrats to Tominit. So the next update is about Tinamong. Yes, Tinamong is having fun with team during the Christmas Eve and they enjoyed a lot. Action.
Holy What are you doing?
Chris!
careful. Oh my god. He's in the snow.
So when we talk about fun on Christmas, Mr. Sniper Wolf and Wolfie had a battle with shotgun and sword in a funny way. Action.
Let her try to deflect one. She says she's fast.
So the next update is about Airrack. Finally, Airrack completed 1 million subscribers on YouTube. How he completed is a long story. I'm gonna say in a cut short way. A few months ago, he wished and put a goal to reach 1 million subscribers before the year 2020 ends. Then a few days ago, he was only some 25k subs to complete 1 million. And then he reached the island and had decided he will not do any video or come back to the city until he reaches 1 million subscribers. And it took around 6 days to complete the goal, and he completed 1 million subscribers in the YouTube. Action.
All in one place together, watching the number roll over.
It's finally over. There's the island. It's called Little Munyon Island. That's where we've been for the last 7 days, 6 days.
You guys are welcome to go there. We're never coming.
You'll never find us there. It's Little Munyon Island for everyone who's been looking for this place. We're out. We're not coming back here ever again. We're at 1 million. Guys, thank you so much for 1 million. I will come out with the whole thing. We did it. I'm so tired. I love you guys.
To watch clearly and precisely about the story, the live stream video was uploaded in his channel. There he explained everything, how he faced and struggled in a short way. Video link is in the description. So many warm congrats to Airrack and to his YouTube family also for achieving the goal. The last update for today is Jake Paul. As we know, in our previous video, Jake Paul challenged Conor McGregor and Dylan Dennis for a fight, and he also challenged many famous fighters. Ben Askren was one of them. Then Ben Askren posted a video on his Twitter handle challenging Jake Paul for a fight. Let's see what he said in the video. Action.
Yes, Mr. Jake Paul, I do accept. I know you called me out after your last fight against that bum Nate Robinson, and listen, it's a pretty simple choice. I'm going to make a whole bunch of money to beat up a guy who is pretending to be an athlete, because at the end of the day, that's what you're doing. And I know you may think I do not have too many stand-up skills, but also at the end of the day, I don't really need to. Okay, I'm a world-class athlete. I've won NCAA titles. I've been in the Olympics, won belts in multiple mixed martial arts organizations, and quite frankly, I am impressed that you've deluded yourself into thinking you are actually a fighter, that you are really tough, that you can really box. It's quite impressive that beating up another YouTuber and beating up a boxer who looked like he'd never been in the ring before makes you somehow good at boxing, because it doesn't. So yes, Jake, I accept. I will see you March 28th in Los Angeles, and I will humble you like millions of people want to see happen.
Hope Jake Paul gave a reply to him. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video, hit the bell icon, press on all to get the notifications. Thank you.